This is the JLab Epic Open Sport headphones. So this is a sample given to me by the brand. Thank you so much. I'm going to show you what they look like. So they sound great. I really like their little logo here, and this is what they look like. So they look amazing. It looks very, very nice. And let's try them on so you can see what they look like. So sound is amazing. So you just plug them in just like that. Let me see. It's hard to see on the side. Hopefully you can see. Yeah, there you go. So you can see what they look like there. So they're very comfortable. They don't move, as you can see. Even if I tilt my head or up to the side, see they're not moving. So it's great. So I personally do not like earbuds because they drop everywhere you put them in, and you go down and then they go down to the floor. So it's like great, you know. So but these are really nice. So as you can see, they're very comfortable, very modern looking. I really like the look. Comes with the cable to charge. So super nice. Thank you again, JLab. Really going to be enjoying these. Hope you do too. And again, they look amazing. So sound amazing too. So check them out.